Welcome to this week's video. We're going to now install the 1-inch foam board insulation to the roof of the van. And I believe this is going to be a multi-day process because I want to do the sides as well. Anyway, so let me show you the products I'm using. So this is the insulation board I'm using for the roof. And it comes with an aluminum foil side. And I believe it's the 1-inch. This comes in a huge sheet and it was only like 10 bucks at Lowe's. So I've already cut it out to the dimensions of the roof that I'm going to do. And I'm going to use an adhesive, which is the Gorilla Contact Adhesive Ultimate. And it's supposed to be resistant to like heat and cold. So hopefully you stick the board up on the roof pretty good. So let's get started on the first installation of the first board on the roof. So it says to use this adhesive, you have to spray it on first, let it get tacky, and then apply the adhesive to the board and to the roof. And then as it gets tacky, then you put the board on. And I'm gonna hold this board up there with a little bit of tape, and also there's a device that a lot of people use, say for taller vans, and it's called like a helping hand mount, and you could like keep the board pinned. I don't have any of that, so I'm gonna use a tripod to hold it in place along with the tape. Now this is not perfect by any means. I'm just doing the best I can to make sure that the sun's early morning rays don't heat it up so fast where I can get up comfortably. I think this foam board will work. I think that the adhesive I'm using, the board I'm using, it's all relatively budget. So if it doesn't work out in the future, I might just go ahead and spend a little bit more money to insulate the van properly. But right now, this is what I got, and I think it'll work out plenty fine. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for your support, and thank you for watching, and thank you for coming by. See you in the next video.